Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up dual monitors in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for Euro Truck Simulator 2 config file location and open the folder that contains the config.cfg file. Then, open the config.cfg file using Notepad. Over here, find the line that says use it r underscore multiman 0 inches and change the value from 0 inches to 1. After that, save the file and close Notepad. Then launch Euro Truck Simulator 2. Over here, go to your graphics settings and set the resolution and monitor settings according to your dual monitor setup. After that, go to the folder where the multiman config.ci file is located. If the file doesn't exist, the game will generate it after enabling multiman in the config file. Then open the multiman config.ci file and adjust the monitor positions, angles and settings to match your setup. After that, save the file and restart the game. So that's basically how you can set up dual monitors in Euro Truck Simulator 2. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.